A slit-mouthed woman late at night in Japan on the street, be ready to die. According to the urban legend, the woman is said to appear late at night, wearing a surgical mask.
Fujisaki Onna is probably one of my most favorite urban legends, but I gotta say that what the people saw on the street might have been a woman that is unfortunately disfigured. It could be anybody, and late at night, your brain kinda tells you to run if something approaches. You don't think like, is it dangerous? You think, oh, it's Fujisaki Onna because of the way she looks, So the thing is, it could be random people, that might have disfigurements or like, and in Japan they basically wear masks. It's very common actually. That's what I've gathered online. So and that's why the urban legend is actually so great actually, because it is a modern day legend and not just some old. It is old but not really ancient, if that makes sense.